Hi everyone, welcome back to the craft channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a face mask because from the 24th, Friday, it's going to be compulsory in shops, supermarkets, public transport, and if you don't have one, and they're pretty hard to get a hold of, if you don't have one, they're giving out £100 fines, alright? So I'm going to quickly show you how to make them. This is one I've made earlier, so I'll just show you how it works. So dead easy. I'll put it onto this one. It's quite pretty. Over your chin, and the elastic goes around your ears. You can just pull that over your nose. There we go. All right, so let's make a start. So what I've done, I've already got. I've kind of cheated a little bit. I've got material that's already cut out. I'll make my dogs coming round in the background. Hello Diego. This is 10 inches by 10 inches. So that's roughly going to be all you need to make this face mask. So if you've got an old t-shirt or pillowcase or anything like that will do. You don't have to go out and buy material, alright? There's bound to be something in the house that you can use. So I'm going to make a start. So all we're going to do, fold it in half and half again. Right, just going to line up those corners. Let's see, make a square. And then using a plate, you rest it over the top. I'm going to match those corners up. Doesn't matter if you're slightly off. I'm just going to measure that up there. You see that? So I'm going round. I just need a pencil and a rough line round. So I will have your material inside out. Grab that with your hand, move the plate, don't need that anymore. And all we're going to do is cut round corner to corner. Right, so keeping it folded, you can see I've made a bit of an arch around the top. All I'm going to do is cut down over and then the other two creases down the side. Right, so I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces, into quarters. So what you have is 4 pieces, like this. Right. So what we're going to do is put the good side together and line up those corners again, like so. Alright, so good side's in the middle. And with both pieces, all we're going to do now is quickly stitch around the arch. Right, I'm going to do that now. You don't need a sewing machine. What you do need is maybe some thread that's going to be a good match to the material that you use. So that's quite a good match there, isn't it? Nice and dark. Right, so we're just going to stitch right around the arch on both pieces. It doesn't matter if you're not a good stitcher. There's one. Just one more to do. Right, line it up, and you're going to stitch around the arch again. Okay, so we've got two identical pieces. They're both inside out at the moment. So we're going to leave one inside out. We're going to turn the other one the right way. Alright, so eventually what we'll have is that covering. Alright, but we're going to make it 2 layers thick. Alright, so we're going to put the other material on the other side. If you want to make it a little bit more like secure, double stitch it. Alright, so I've just quickly put it, like pinned it together there with a quick stitch. But what you could do is go back over that and make it a little bit more thorough, if you like. It'll be stronger, so you could do that, but I'm just quickly showing you how it goes together. I did do that with the first one, but I'm just trying to speed things up. So I'm going to push one the right way. What you could do as well is iron it, or just flatten it down. And that one's going to slot, so you've got your two good sides together. Right, so everything you see, I'll show you on there, it's all the rough bit. Right, all your good material is facing in over. So that's your pattern there. So all we're going to do, we're going to leave 2 centimetres on both sides, on each corner. I'm going to stitch right across the top and the bottom, right, but I'm going to leave 2 little gaps either side. Alright, so as I said before, what you could do is double stitch that, alright, and make it a little bit more wearable. Because these can go in the washer as well, right? You can reuse them. So I have left a gap on either corner. I've done that on purpose because we'll need to flip it around the right way, right? Because at the minute it's inside out. So I'm going to quickly do that. So you just open up the corner and pull it through. Alright, you can see that forming already. What we're missing? A bit of elastic to keep it on. So what I've got is, I get out the pound shop, just some elastic. Now if you haven't got this, you could use 2 hair bubbles. There's not a lot in it, right? So roughly about the same size. So you could use, if you haven't got elastic and you want to try and get one made, many people have bobbles lying around the house, so you could use a couple of bands, or failing that, elastic bands. If you've got anything like that, that would work. But I'm going to use the string elastic that I've got. And roughly about 8 inches would probably do it. I think that's what I measured last time. Okay, so I've got 2 bits of elastic. All I'm going to do is flatten it out, wrap over the 2 ends and stitch those together to make a loop. I need to do that with both pieces. There we go, 2 circles of elastic. And they're going to go around your ears and attach to the mask. So back on with our mask, so these 2 little corners that we didn't stitch, make sure they're both pulled out. And what you're going to do, the bit that you've stitched on with your elastic, going to lay it on the corner and you're going to wrap that material around twice, and then we're going to stitch just along the material and the elastic band just to keep that in place. So one side, just see what we want to do. We're getting there. And there you have your finished product. Half an hour and you'll have one yourself made. If you're a football fan, could maybe even put your favourite team on the front. Enjoy making them. Stay safe. Bye.